Hello viewers, very good morning from Send IT Solution. Today we're going to tell you how to install SSL on any domain. For that we are going to take this Webmin platform which is installed on one of our client virtual server. So let us see how can we install SSL on that domain on this SKYPE.com. So what you have to do, you have to go here, edit your virtual server in the Webmin, and then go to here, enable features. Here you have to select Apache SSL website enable. You have to select it and save it. In my case it is already saved, so we don't have to do anything. After that we have to go here, the server configuration, and then here manage SSL. After that you have to go on Let's Encrypt, which is the open source community which is providing SSL for 3 months. You have to renew it after 3 months. So we are going to take this. You have to select this option and put your domain. You don't have to put the mail .southpage.com because it is not targeting to the same directory, so we are not including that. We are including only these two domain which is targeting to the same directory. So after that you have to click here. There is a lot other ways of doing that, but that is the easiest way of doing on the Webmin through UI. So see, it is tell us that request was successful. So it is very easy to install SSL on Webmin on any domain. So hope you like the video, and if you have any type of requirement you can hire Send IT Solution. If you want to if you have any problem in installing SSL, you can hire Send IT Solutions. And if you have any problem in any website or any content or any type of e-commerce website or any type of things, you can hire Send IT Solution only by clicking contact us or just mail us on this siddharthsingh91@gmail.com. Hope you like this video and provide us like. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.